Greetings and hoping you have a good day. Today talking about filters for large data, how to apply sort and filters inside a large sheets of data and multiple columns. For this one, if you just select this one highlighted and filters, let's select the first column and start to apply filters. If you just press to the data tab and head to the filter, you will see it allows a small arrow inside this tab. This arrow allows you to select according to a specific criteria to show a single product. Let's say I want to make analysis about a single product or twice or double or triple products. Let's say I want to show only the condenser, and also you can use multiple options and you can select them all. Just you want to make a focus about a specific value and a specific data to make the analysis and don't miss any product. For this filter, I use the product as the main data and hit the small arrow to get the specific settings and just mark the small box beside each product. When you mark beside the cotton and beside the elevator, it will show the cotton and show the elevator only. Or you can use single product, you can use multiple products. Just hit the small arrow and navigate around and select the amount of products you want to see. If you want to make the analysis about all the products, and you can navigate to the top and the bottom by pressing down arrow with Ctrl and Shift on the keyboard. If you navigate up again, you can navigate and scrolling up, or you can press up arrow and Control and Shift at the same time. This is a shortcut to navigate from the top value to the bottom value. If you can't use this example, you can use another example of date. Let's say I want to use some filter according to taxes or dates or any country. You can just hit the top value and you will find the filter you've added. You can select a year, a specific year, let's say 2025. It will show only the value and the products and each amount of the value that will appear with the date of 2025. This is how to apply and select the filters. You can select them all, press the filter from the data tab menu. That's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed and I will see you in the next one.